Samosa Wraps. Prepare the ingredients. Chop 4 large potatoes into bite-sized pieces. Place the chopped potatoes into a pot of water. Place the pot on a high heat and bring to the boil. Cook until the potatoes are tender but slightly firm. Remove from the water and set aside. While the potatoes are cooking, finely dice 1 onion. Grate 1 tablespoon of fresh ginger. Roughly chop 1 handful of fresh mint. Heat a wok on a high heat and add half a cup of water. Add the onion and garlic and mustard seeds and saute until the water evaporates. Add 2 tablespoons of curry powder. Add half a teaspoon of coriander powder. Add half a teaspoon of cumin powder. Add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Add half a teaspoon of garam masala. Add the cooked potatoes. Add the peas and mix well. Squeeze over the juice of 1 lemon. Add the mint. Add salt and pepper to taste. Warm a tortilla according to package instructions. Place 1/8 of the mixture in the center of the wrap. Fold the wrap. Serve with mango chutney.